Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix format corrupted unreadable USB pen drive. First method is open File Explorer, right-click Pen Drive, click Properties. Click Tools, click Check. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type Diskpart. Type list space, disk. Type select space, disk number, my case disk number is 1. Type clean. Type create space, partition space, primary. Type format space, fs equal to ntfs space, quick. Type *sign space, letter equal to F. Exit, type exit. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.